When diving into the world of project management tools, it's easy to get confused by similar-sounding names or assumptions about large tech companies. One question that occasionally surfaces is, what is Microsoft Basecamp? As an expert in project management software, I can clarify this right away. There is no product officially named Microsoft Basecamp. This might seem surprising given Microsoft's extensive suite of business applications. However, Basecamp is the registered trademark and product name of a project management and collaboration tool developed by a company called Basecamp, LLC, formerly known as 37 Signals. It is a distinct, independent software from anything Microsoft offers. The confusion likely stems from two main points. Microsoft's broad portfolio. Microsoft is a giant in the software industry, offering a wide array of tools that do compete with Basecamp in the project management and collaboration space. Users might mistakenly assume that Basecamp is just another one of these offerings, perhaps a lighter version of Microsoft Project or a component of Microsoft 365. Generic usage of Basecamp. The term Basecamp itself refers to a main camp or a starting point for an expedition. In a metaphorical sense, it can be used to describe any central hub for a project. This generic usage might lead people to naturally associate it with leading software providers like Microsoft. What is Basecamp, the actual product? To avoid further confusion, let's briefly touch upon what Basecamp, the actual product by Basecamp LLC, is. Basecamp is a well-known online project management and team collaboration tool designed to simplify communication and task tracking for small to medium-sized teams. Its philosophy centers on asynchronous communication and reducing the need for constant meetings and emails. Key features include to-do lists for managing tasks and assignments, message boards for structured discussions and announcements, schedules for tracking deadlines and events, file storage for organizing project documents and assets, campfire chat, a real-time group chat feature, automatic check-ins for regular updates without formal meetings. Basecamp prides itself on its simplicity, straightforward pricing, and a less is more approach, which often contrasts with the more feature-rich and complex offerings from larger corporations. Microsoft's actual project management and collaboration tools. While there's no Microsoft Basecamp, Microsoft certainly has a robust and diverse portfolio of tools that cater to project management and team collaboration needs. These are the products you would typically consider when looking for a Microsoft solution. Microsoft Project. This is Microsoft's flagship project management software. It's a powerful tool designed for more complex projects and professional project managers. It offers advanced features like Gantt charts, critical path analysis, resource management, cost tracking, and portfolio management. It's available as a desktop application, a cloud-based service, project for the web, Project Online, and a server-based solution, Project Server. Microsoft Project is geared towards detailed planning, scheduling, and tracking of intricate projects. Microsoft Planner, often considered a lighter-weight project management tool within the Microsoft 365 ecosystem. Planner uses a Kanban-style board to help teams organize tasks visually. It's great for task assignments, tracking progress, and simple team collaboration. It's fully integrated with Microsoft Teams and other Microsoft 365 services, making it easy to use for teams already relying on that ecosystem for daily communication. Microsoft To Do. This is Microsoft's personal task management application. While not a full-fledged project management tool, it helps individuals organize their daily tasks, set reminders, and create to-do lists. It can be integrated with Outlook tasks and serves as a simple way for individuals to manage their contributions to larger projects. Microsoft Teams. Primarily a communication and collaboration hub, Microsoft Teams has become a central platform for many organizations. While not a project management tool in itself, its channels, chat, video conferencing, and file sharing capabilities are fundamental for project teams. Crucially, Teams can integrate with Microsoft Planner, Microsoft Project, and other third-party project management apps, allowing teams to manage tasks and communicate within a single environment. Microsoft SharePoint. SharePoint is a versatile platform primarily used for document management, internal websites, intranets, and team collaboration. It can be configured to support project management by creating dedicated project sites, sharing documents, tracking issues, and building custom workflows. While it requires more setup than a dedicated PM tool, its flexibility makes it a powerful option for organizations heavily invested in the Microsoft ecosystem. Azure DevOps. For software development teams, Microsoft offers Azure DevOps. This is a comprehensive suite of tools for application lifecycle management, including agile planning tools like Scrum and Kanban boards, version control, testing, and continuous integration/continuous deployment, CI/CD pipelines. While highly specialized, it incorporates robust project management functionalities for software projects. Why the distinction matters for project management. Understanding that Microsoft Basecamp isn't a product is important for several reasons from a project management perspective. Accurate tool selection. If you're looking for a project management tool, knowing the correct product names prevents misdirected searches and ensures you're comparing the right options. Basecamp and Microsoft's offerings have different philosophies, feature sets, and pricing models. Integration ecosystems. Basecamp is designed to be largely self-contained, though it offers some integrations. Microsoft's tools, conversely, are deeply integrated within the Microsoft 365 ecosystem, which can be a deciding factor if your organization is already heavily invested in Microsoft products. Learning curve and complexity. Basecamp is known for its simplicity and ease of use, with a relatively flat learning curve. Microsoft Project, especially, has a steeper learning curve due to its extensive features, while Planner is much simpler. Target audience. Basecamp often appeals to small to medium-sized teams and agencies looking for a streamlined approach. Microsoft offers solutions ranging from personal task management to enterprise-level project and portfolio management. Microsoft Project, Azure DevOps, catering to a much broader spectrum of organizations and project complexities.